Welcome back. You're here because you want to, cut through the noise and really get what matters in finance today. And today, we're looking at a pretty big shift. Automated trading and what it means for individual investors like you.
Exactly. It's a topic that keeps coming up. We've been digging into an article discussing this, especially with some insights from Faida Ventures Ltd. Our mission really is to unpack how these automated systems work for individuals and, highlight the key things to watch out for the benefits and the considerations.
Okay, perfect. Let's jump in. So in simple terms, what is automated trading?
Right. So think of it like using smart computer programs, algorithms basically. They follow very specific instructions to make trades. These things analyze market data constantly, like in real time, looking for opportunities based on rules you set beforehand. Then they just buy or sell automatically.
Okay, so it's like having a tireless little helper watching the markets 24/7.
That's a good way to put it, a very data-driven helper.
So this isn't just for the big banks anymore. The article mentioned managed accounts, making it accessible, even talking about innovative trading robots. What's that about?
Yeah, that's the interesting part. It's becoming much more available. Managed accounts mean you, the individual investor, can tap into this without needing to be a coding whiz. And these trading robots, that's just, a catchier name for these sophisticated algorithms developed by firms, like Faida Ventures, for instance, that do the heavy lifting, the analysis, and the trading.
Ah, okay. That sounds like it could take a lot of the stress out. We all know how emotions can, well, mess with investment choices. How does automation tackle that?
Oh, massively. That's probably one of the biggest benefits, fear of missing out or maybe panic selling when things dip. Human nature, right?
Yeah.
Automated systems, they don't have emotions. They just run on logic, on statistics. They stick to the plan, which generally leads to more consistency and better risk management, too.
Right, sticking to the plan. The article we looked at brought up Faida Ventures Ltd. specifically. Why are they part of this story?
Well, they're a concrete example of a company actually providing these kinds of automated solutions directly to retail investors. Their whole thing seems to be about using tech to empower individuals. They have specific systems they mention, like Faida Neural Titan 1.70 EA and Faida Profit Matrix 5.90 EA.
Okay. And something else caught my eye there, a profit-sharing model. Seemed a bit different.
It is quite interesting, yeah. The way it works, apparently, is investors only pay a fee after their investment grows by 30% from its highest point, the high watermark, they call it. So it really aligns their interests with the investors. They only make money if you make significant money first.
Okay, that makes sense.
Hmm.
So this really opens things up then. You don't need to be some trading guru to potentially use these advanced strategies.
Exactly. That's the democratization aspect. Before, this stuff was pretty much just for the big institutional players. Now, through these managed services, individuals can effectively access these complex strategies. You keep your own broker account, but you grant permission for the automated system to trade within it. Controlled access, of course.
Hmm. But giving up control, even controlled access, might make some people nervous. Are there like safety nets built in?
Absolutely, and that's crucial. The article highlighted risk management features, things like 247 monitoring of the account, and really importantly, the investor keeps the power to just revoke the trading rights anytime. That gives you a layer of security, especially when markets get choppy.
Yeah, that revoke button sounds important. So it really feels like this is more than just a small update. Automated trading is genuinely changing the game for retail investors.
I think that's the core message, yes. It's a pretty significant evolution. It's setting new benchmarks for how efficient and potentially profitable investing can be for individuals by using technology smartly.
Okay, so summing it up for everyone listening, automated trading potentially offers easier access to complex strategies, much more efficiency, less emotional decision-making, and those important risk tools built in.
Precisely. It's about using algorithms to navigate the market's ups and downs with hopefully more precision and maybe more reliable outcomes over time.
Right. So here's a final thought to leave you with. With financial tech moving so fast, where does automated trading go next? What new opportunities or maybe even challenges could pop up for individual investors down the line? Something to chew on. If you want to learn more about the example we mentioned, Faida Ventures Ltd., you can find them on YouTube and Facebook. The links are usually in the description. And just a reminder, this conversation is purely for educational insight. Always do your own homework and consider talking to a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.